The Brio Self-Cleaning Bottleless Countertop Water Dispenser. Many people trust in a Brio brand, and if this is your maker of choice, we consider it the best Brio bottleless countertop water cooler that you can buy. Even though it's on the pricier side of these systems, this water cooler features a more advanced filtration system. Save time with 3 pre-programmed water temperature settings: cold, room, and hot, allowing you to enjoy crisp, refreshing water or make a hot cup of tea. The Brio Self-Cleaning Countertop Water Dispenser features a 2-stage water filter consisting of a sediment filter and a carbon block filter. Best of all, the Brio has an automated UV self-cleaning function to disinfect the cooler and kill 99.99% of disease-causing microbes. This ensures every drop of water dispensed from its easy-to-use dispensers at the front of the device has been thoroughly filtered, and all germs, bacteria, and other toxins have been effectively removed. Installation of the Brio Countertop Water Dispenser is easy because it includes an install kit with everything you need. Installation typically takes under 30 minutes. Apart from its numerous convenient features, it also is easy to see that the Brio Bottleless Countertop Self-Cleaning Water Dispenser is definitely one of the more stylish options on the market, and it'll fit perfectly with virtually any kind of interior decor. Here are the pros: advanced filtration with both sediment and carbon block filters, UV self-cleaning to eliminate bacteria, all touch-free pre-programmed water temperature settings. Installation kit is included. And the cons: a more premium-priced model. Filter replacements can get expensive over time. Don't forget to check the description box below for more filtration information and exclusive freshness discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching. See you next time.